there 70% consists of water, about 30% is landmark. About 300 million people who are doing water sports activities. We, FT-TEC, develop and produce safety and location devices for your safety at sea. We develop with our design team special application for cruise line industry and also special man overboard situations. Special application needs special products. FT-TEC likes to recommend the following amount for protecting a cruise ship and also crew members and passengers by emergency at sea with a Sea Angel AIS SA15 MOB device. We also recommend, of course, to install all of our AIS MOB devices on the life vest for crew members and also for passengers. We do understand it will not happen because there are too many. So we now like to show you or to recommend where we should place the AIS MOB devices on a cruise ship to make sure we protect about, or actually we cover around 95% of all accidents. Base idea is to have it on all of the rescue boats. We also like to have it on all of the tender boats, also lifeboats, life rafts, all the crew members which are in charge for the life rafts, tender boats and also rescue boats. On rescue boats we should have it for all crew members, like one rescue boat we have 4 operators on board, all of these 4 should have it. On the life rings we should install all of the AIS MOB devices on the life rings to make sure if there is an emergency happen, passenger goes overboard, cold caught Oscar, we have a life ring attached to an AIS MOB device. If we have this one, we can locate the life ring and hopefully the person within 3 minutes. That means we have to place the AIS MOB device on dedicated places on a cruise ship. The best thing, I can show it over here on a deck plan, is always to put the AIS MOB device with the life ring close to public areas. Public areas are very close to theaters. Also on this deck plan, like on deck 10, is more normally the running track around, and close like on deck 6, we know also there's a lot of people up there. When we install it, try to install it more aft because the ship is still moving, so the life ring with our MOB device should be located on the aft. So if somebody goes overboard, we can throw the life ring with our MOB device in the direction of the person. When we know the amount and FT-TEC ships the product, we also ask you for, when you install it, the product on board side, you should use the even numbers. If you install it on starboard side, you should use the odd numbers, because FT-TEC provides a database, so we know exactly where your product will be in the future if there's emergency or if you do testing on board. Now we'd like to show you the maintenance procedure of a C-Angel SA15 AIS SART or MOB device from FT-TEC. It's very easy. You go to your live ring with our SART or MOB device. You check the number. The number should be 509. You open the lid. You take our C-Angel out. Inside the box there is the number 509. Perfect. For the test procedure you have to push only once your test button. The yellow light comes on, and from now on you don't have to do anything. You just put back your C-Angel in the box, you close it, and then we will check on the bridge the MOB test signal. We are now on a tender boat of one of the cruise ships. Now we decide where we put our SA15 C-Angel SART system or MOB device to it. The best way is we have our canister with a special fastening device for it to put it around bars. So what happened is we first discussed with the safety officer, chief officer or staff captain to put it in which location. The best location normally is very close to the driver, which is right here. Or back here. The question is which kind of fastening system we have. Over here we decided to put it close to the driver, so if there's an emergency he can take out the product very easy and throw it overboard. So when we install it, the clips what we have, we put it the opposite side. You see this one goes this direction, the other one goes the other direction. Now we can put it on it, so we open it, we clamp it in here, we're using the system, and it will be fastened by itself. So installation works this one. The clips are open. You put it around the bars. It snaps in. You just have to push it and then it's closed. Now we're on a lifeboat of one of the cruise ships. Important is the same thing. We like to have the C-Angel SA15 SART or MOB device close to the operator of the tender boat of the lifeboat. We have our fastening systems also for this vessel as well, for this lifeboat as well. So we decided over here to put it on this kind of bar. It's the same situation. We have our special clips which goes around the bar. Same situation, you just clip it in, you clip in the other one, and this one is placed on the right. Same thing, we open, we check for the numbers and also for the product itself. So we open the safety clip goes in here. We do our special safety knot as you have seen before. Then we activate. Red light is coming. If the flashlight starts, it's about 30 seconds that the signal goes, so we shut it off. We push the test button, yellow light comes, system is off. For test purpose, you push the test button, the yellow light comes, starts flashing. This whole routine ends, could take about 15 minutes until GPS contact. Because of testing, we just shut it off. You push the test button again for 3 seconds. If the red light comes, it shows you 3 seconds, then the system is shut off. For test purpose, we also go for on. You see red light comes, flashlight starts, so so we have time for 30 seconds again. We shut it off. $4.99, perfect. We close it. Okay, now we're on a rescue boat, one of the cruise ships. We install also on the rescue boat the Essential SA15 AIS Flare MOB device. On this little rescue boat, we decided to put it on front. It's over here. So what happened is the crew has to drill 2 holes through the glass fiber. We supply the fastening systems, and then we have our canister with the Essential Flare inside. We open it, we just check it. We check also the transport safety clip. On a rescue boat, normal only crew members coming over here, so we don't have to take off the safety clip because they know it. For testing purpose, we just open it. We do again our safety knot. We activate it. We see the red light is coming. Flashlight starts. Deactivation. We push the desk button for 3 seconds. One more. Okay. Testing. We test it. We will interrupt this testing over here. We push the desk button. Hard. Hard again. Red and yellow. Okay, we push the on button. Perfect. On a rescue boat, we put back on the safety clip, put it back in, we close it. On rescue boats, we don't need the seal, because on rescue boats, only crew members of the safety team coming on board. So there will not be passengers with try to open it without any allowance for it. By using our AIS MOB and SART device, you benefit in different areas. One is you increase the safety for your passenger and crew members. Also, if there is a MOB situation, your reaction time is much faster than normal. The localization by accident is about 1 to 3 minutes. We also increase the safety of crew members by emergency situations if we put the AIS MOB device on the crew member. Important thing, we're saving time and money, less search. We avoid time delays, and maybe we avoid fees from port authorities. Important part as well for cruise ships, cruise lines, we avoid bad reputations from customers because of time delays. We gain the positive reputation by customer for investing in safety. We possibly increase the share value of the stock market as well. We recommend the following equipment of Sea Angel on each of your cruise ship. 2 AIS Flare as MOB on the bridge, port side and starboard side. We also like to put it on the live rings, each of them with AIS devices. Each rescue boat, each lifeboat, we should have one Sea Angel for the lifeboat and rescue boat commander. We should have one Sea Angel for each of the crew members which are on the rescue boat. We should have also maybe additional Sea Angel for a life ring attached to our AIS Flare. On life raft, we should have for each life raft commander and crew a Sea Angel. For security, we also should put 2 AIS devices on the life rings which are maybe on board. And last but not least, all of the tender boats should have it, so means one Sea Angel for each of the commander and crew members and 1 or 2 AIS devices on the life rings. The maintenance and cost for this product is easy to calculate. The maintenance itself. No additional cost for maintenance are required. Only once a year you do a test procedure. There's no additional registration fees. The battery life of this product is, according SOLAS approval, minimum of 5 years. We give 2 years additional as a MOB device. We also provide a free database for reminder and exchange after activation provided by FT-TEC. We recommend the following quantities again. So overall, we have between 200 to 250 pieces, depends of how many life rings, rescue, lifeboats, tender boats, and people are in charge for evacuation. We also supply flexible fastening parts for easy installation. When we come down to the cost per ship, so overall by 200 pieces, we talk about $38 a day, so let's say around $40 a day for your safety, which actually is paid off within 7 years. When we discuss about costs by emergency, when we put in the Coast Guard in search, the cost for a helicopter from the US Coast Guard is at the moment about $12,000 an hour. The other point which hits you will be the late board fee because of late arrival. We're talking about around $100,000 to $150,000. The profit loss from tours in port or cities. When we average count 4,000 passengers and 50% take the tour, we're losing about $100,000 only on the tours. The most important fact of all of this one is you lose reputation if you don't have it. You gain reputation if you have it. And we also like to have very happy passengers, crew members and customers.